Hello children, today we are going to do a lab activity. Aim of the lab activity: observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the lens. Material required: candle, convex lens, V-shaped stand, screen and a meter scale. Procedure: place a convex lens on V stand. Keep the candle at different distances, say 60 to 30 or 20 from the lens. By moving the screen which is on other side of the lens, find the position where you get the sharp image on the screen. Let us place the candle at 60 cm distance. The image will form also at 60 centimeters. That means we place the candle at C2, we get the image at C1, and the characteristics of image: the image formed at C1, V equals to 60 centimeter image distance, it is inverted image and real image with same size. Now maintain the distance between candle and lens 50 centimeter, then we get the image at 75 centimeters. That means we place the candle between C2 and F2, we get the image beyond C1. So the position of the image beyond C1, that is V equals to 75 centimeter, the image is inverted and real and enlarged image. Next, place the candle at 30 centimeter, that is at F2, we get the image at long distance, that is infinity. So when we place the object at F2, we get the image at long distance, that is at infinity. Position of image infinity, it is inverted and real and highly enlarged. Now last, keep the candle at 20 centimeter distance, that is between F1 and optic center. Then we get virtual image inside the lens, that is beyond F2. The nature of the image: it is erect image, enlarged image. Now record the values in the given table. Object distance 60 centimeters, image distance 60 centimeters, object distance 50 centimeters, image distance 75 centimeters, object distance 30 centimeters, image distance infinity, object distance 20 centimeters, image distance minus 60 centimeters. Substitute object distance, image distance in this formula, that is 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, lens formula, or f is equals to focal length, f is equals to uv by u minus v. Then we get every time the focal length of the lens 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 30 centimeters. Now conclusion: convex lens forms both real and virtual images when object is placed at various positions, and the focal length of the convex lens is about 30 centimeters. Thank you.